Baby First. Click the subscribe button below. Color Crew Magic. Hello. Farm. Hey, Color Crew. Come on out. Farm. Farmer. Now it's your turn, Color Crew. Cow. Come on, Pink. Cow. Moo. Chicken. Mirror? I'm not sure. This is not a chicken. This is a mirror. It's okay. Try again, Color Crew. Chicken. Chicken. Very good. Oh. Goat. Goat. Perfect. Goat. Farm. Great job. Kids room. Hey, Color Crew. Kids room. Carpet. Now you try, Color Crew. Bed. Bed. Beautiful. Chair. Chair. Wait, hey, don't. Oh. Table. Hammer. I'm not so sure. Well, no. No, this is not a table. This is a hammer. Mr. Eraser?
No.
That's okay. Try again. Table. Table. Perfect. Aw. Kids' room. Great job.
Twinkle, twinkle, little
Good night.
star, how I wonder what
The kids on the bus all learn with first. Learn with first. First.
First, your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download first.
Hello. Fishing game. Hi, Color Crew. Come on out. Let's play. Fishing game. Tub. Water. Now it's your turn. Pool noodles. Pool noodles. Great job. The pool noodles will help everything float. Pipe cleaners. Sock. Well, let's try... Well, what if we... No, this is not pipe cleaners. This is a sock. Come on, Mr. Eraser. Help us out.
No.
It's okay. Try again. Pipe cleaners. Pipe cleaners. Good job.
Woohoo! Whee!
Okay, here we go. A boat.
Woohoo!
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Fish.
Ha! Ooh! Ha!
See, it's a lobster.
Ooh!
Googly eyes.
Ooh!
Googly eyes. Great. Now let's put eyes on the fish and the lobster. Fishing game. Perfect.
Ooh! Woohoo! Huh? Ooh! Huh? Uh-oh.
Look out.
Hey!
Bath toys. Hello, color crew. Come on out. Bath toys.
Ooh! Huh? Ooh!
Tub.
Ooh!
Go ahead, color crew. Whale. Come on, purple. Whale. But will it float? It floats. Perfect. Okay. Shark. Shark. Very nice. Peekaboo. Will the shark float? It does. Perfect. Octopus. Uh-oh, here comes red. Chair? Well, I mean, we could try. Well, will it float? No. No, this is not an octopus. This is a chair. Let's dry it off. Come on, Mr. Eraser. Help us out.
No.
That's okay. Try one more time. Octopus. Octopus. Good job. Will the octopus float? Yes, it does. Perfect. I'll arrange them just like the picture. Wait, stay there for a minute. They float all around. Bath toys. Oh. Purple. Is just water red? Let me help you.
The kids on the bus all learn with first. Learn with first. First, first, first.
First, your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download first.
Color Crew Magic. Wild animals. Hello, Color Crew. Come on out. Wild animals. Nature. Now it's your turn, Color Crew. Giraffe. Giraffe. Great job. Bless you. Lion. Lion. Perfect.
Uh-oh.
Hippopotamus. Bed? Are you sure? Uh, No, this is not a hippopotamus. This is a bed. Come on, Mr. Eraser.
No.
It's okay. Try again, Color Crew. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Very good. Look out, Pink. Wild animals. Ooh, a safari. Great job, Color Crew. Wild animals. Hello. Fruit salad. Hey there, Color Crew. Come on out. It's time to draw. fruit salad. Here's the bowl. Orange.
Ta-da!
Orange. Good job. That looks great.
Ooh.
Mr. Eraser, can you help? Great. Thank you. And again.
Wow.
Now, banana. Come on, Yellow. I'll help you. You draw so well. That looks great. Banana. Good job.
Ooh.
Now, strawberries.
Ooh. Hey.
Lipstick? But what? Maybe I could,
Ooh.
No.
Ooh.
No, this isn't strawberries. This is a lipstick. Mr. Eraser, can you help us?
No.
Thank you. Let's try again. Strawberries. You can do it this time. Strawberries. Good job. But who will erase the green leaves? Mr. Eraser? You're the best, Mr. Eraser.
Ooh.
Okay. So, strawberries, banana, and orange. Now we mix them all together.
Ta-da!
Fruit salad. Come on, color crew. Isn't that good? Enjoy. Bon appetit.
The kids on the bus all learn with first. Learn with first. First.
First, your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download first.
Craft time. Hot air balloon. Hello, color crew. Come on out. Let's draw. Hot air balloon. Sticks. Now it's your turn. Basket. Basket. Great job. That's perfect. We'll use this ribbon to tie the stick. See? Balloon. Green. Come on down. Balloon. Can you help me, Purple? Air pump. Shovel? Well, I mean, we could try. No, this is not an air pump. This is a shovel. Mr. Eraser, can you help?
No.
Give it another go, Color Crew. Air pump. Air pump. That's correct. Here we go. See how easy? And see? Oh. Now we'll add this. Perfect. Hot air balloon. Time for a ride. Craft time. Yarn sheep. Hello, Color Crew. Come on out. Let's draw. Yarn sheep. Felt. This will be the sheep's head. And now the eyes. See? And the mouth. Now it's your turn. Yarn. Come on, don't be shy. Come on down. Yarn. Perfect. This is beautiful. See? And now we'll cut this part. Perfect. And add the face. For the legs of the sheep, we will use pom-poms. Pom-poms. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. Oh. That's fun. Bell. Oh. Jar? Well, let's see. Maybe, No, this is not a bell. This is a jar. Are you available, Mr. Eraser? We need your help.
No.
Try again, Color Crew. Bell. Bell. That's perfect. That's just what we needed. Way to go. Aw. Yarn sheep. Perfect.
Baby First, click the subscribe button below.